You can find stuff in Bridge, and this is my most favorite feature. And I'm so happy that it now defaults to putting the cursor back in this box, because it always did that, and then it went through like an update period where it didn't, and I'm happy to see it back. But you can search for all kinds of things, right? You can search for file names, you can search for all the stuff. Guess what? You can also search all the metadata. And there was a time, it's currently broken, but I hope it comes back. There was a time where you could search for like the name of a font, and if you're searching all the metadata, it would pull up all your documents that use that font. Nice, right? Currently, it's not operating. I don't know why. Somewhere it broke. But keep an eye out, because maybe it will be back. But another thing that is super useful is when you search all metadata, you also are searching linked files in your InDesign documents. So real life example of this is at one point I was looking for this document that I created, and it wasn't in the folder where I would have thought it would be. And I was like, if it's not there, I have no idea where this is. But if I come in here and I do a search for the name, the only thing I could think of this document to find, it's not the name of the document, it's the name of a graphic in the document. And then when I hit to find it, this was the file I was looking for, which was this annual report. And it found it because, one, there is text in there, but also one of the logo files had that name. And I was able to find it, and that was great. So you can really use this search feature in a lot of different ways, and there's a lot of nitpicky ways you can drill down and do all that.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.